Hi friends, good morning. We are back to the position slowly, getting requirements from our clients, few displaying to your knowledge. And these are all the requirements we are working for this week, which is senior HR, just for a manager level or an executive level with 7 to 8 years of experience with post graduations, having a knowledge of HR development policies, and should have a welfare laws and labor laws. And this particular location should have the experience to handling a multiple locations, because this is a group of organizations, so HR should have to handle a group of companies. The head office at Kilpaka, and the other requirement is system engineer, any graduations, and 3 to 5 years in networking, infrastructure maintenance, installation, email configuration, backup policies, and securities. This is also for the Kilpakam location, and the salary would be 20 to 25K per month. And the next portion is executive imports, and the qualification is any degree, minimum 2 years, salary 20 to 25K per month. The skill is good communication and MS Office, Excellence, and Max. North Indian is preferred for this, and this is two for the Kilpakam location. Another position is personal assistant, any graduation, 1 to 2 years of experience, 20 to 22K, should have communication skills, letter drafting, and this is true also for they prefer for North Indians. And see, whatever the requirements have been displaying, this is the client need. There is no any male candidate or female which has been given by the client. And other requirement is junior executive commercial, qualification any degree, 1 year experience, salary is 22K, should be from a manufacturing industries, good knowledge of Excel, and the location is at Kilpakam. Another position is data entry operator, as it is any degree, should have excellence in Excel, MS Office to work. And further requirements are from Kumadipundi locations. Purchase executive 2 numbers, qualification diploma or graduation or BE BTech with 3 years of experience, 20 to 25K, and the location is at Kumadipundi. And this is another portion is raw material inspections, science graduation, diploma or any BE BTech students, it's preferable, should have a raw material inspections in a non-ferrous metals, scrap recycling, as it is all the base scraps like copper, zinc, lead should be done. Knowledge in computers, and the salary is 25 to 30K. Kumadipundi, Chennai location. Chemist is with graduation would be BSc chemistry, and it should be 2 years of experience, and should have to survey supervising a process for quality control, and the salary is 20K. And security supervisors, actually security supervisors here I have given 4 numbers, but actual number we need like 25 numbers, because other location we do have, which the location is Varagadam, it's close to Varagadam. It is to an MNC company. So we accept both men and female, male and female is acceptable. So we need almost 25 numbers. And the thing is, we exclusively looking for there is no any contractual employees. We need a direct employee. We are going to hire this for a direct employer. And trainee position, any freshers, BSc or BTech, any freshers, and location is at Kumadipundi. And management representative, qualification any degree, 4 years experience. This too should have a communication handling ISO systems like internal auditing. And the other portion is maintenance mechanical engineer with a utility maintenance, 5 to 8 years experience, knowledge of hydraulic, motor, furnaces, depending upon the experience. Kumadipundi, Chennai. Another portion is Junior Engineer Project 2 numbers, which is B.Tech Mechanical. Fabrication knowledge, drafting and site inspection is must. Salary, see whatever the salary is given, it's the base salary, but for the right candidate it is negotiable. And Junior Engineering Purchase, this is for a Varagadam location. The skill should be, it should have a SAP knowledge. Even diploma holders can attend. These all these above requirements, if you can post through our website, which is valeasia.com, and we will give you the subscription given below that. Thank you so much. Catch you later. Bye.